All right guys, I have with me here today the STIHL MS880. 120 cc's of pure unadulterated power. How often have you stood next to a chainsaw that's taller than you? This sucker's set up with a 59-inch bar. The person who's buying this is going to be doing some milling on their property, looking to make some cedar planks and some beams and all that. So we're going to fire it up today. Unfortunately, we don't get to do a cut with it. I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings by running their brand new chainsaw. As always, I got my chaps on, and for sure with this saw, I want to have chaps. I've also got my helmet with my face protector and earmuffs. And it's fairly loud, so I'm going to take advantage of these earmuffs. All right, let's fire this baby up. As with all chainsaws, or all STIHL chainsaws, we've got the master control lever here. So I'm going to squeeze the trigger. I'm going to go all the way down to choke. There is a compression release right on the top. I'm going to push that in. And it's always going to fire on the first or second pull, give a little pop. I have already ran this machine to make sure that the chain wasn't going to have any problems and I could retension it. So I'm not actually going to pull the rope on choke, but let's pretend vroom, vroom, it pops. I'm going to bring it up one notch to the start position. My foot is in the rear handle. This is not a saw that I want to start while standing up or do the unsafe drop start. So here we go. Power, power. Hey, for a full line of STIHL chainsaws, stop by Carl's Mower and Saw. We've got the STIHL MS170, your little 16-inch guy, all the way up to this STIHL MS880 that you can put a 59-inch bar on.